You can check your mail, Akshaya.
Yes, sir. I've got the mail, sir.
Tanvi?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You are in charge for the J component, am I right?
Yes, in charge for the scheduling of reviews. Yes.
Yes. Yeah. That is what the J component. So very good. You have done. You and Rogan has did a good job. Rogan?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Aryan is there. Aryan. Mr. Aryan. Vishwanathan. Vishwanand. Jonathan.
Yeah, yes, sir, I'm here.
Yeah, you be ready with 14th problem. You have to read the 14th problem.
Sir, if you don't mind, can someone else read it? I'm not well today, sir.
Okay. Gokul K. Sunil. Gokul K. Sunil. Gokul K. Sunil. Arnav.
Yes, sir.
Arnav. Be ready with 14th problem.
Okay, sir.
In another 2 minutes you can read. Yeah, you can start, Arnav.
Yes, sir. Calculate the future value of the payments at the end of 5 years for the series of payments at 10% rate of interest. First one, rupees 1000 at the end of first year.
Okay.
Second one, rupees 2000 at the end of second year. Third one, rupees 3000 at the end of third year. Fourth one, rupees 2000 at the end of fourth year. And fifth one, rupees 1500 at the end of fifth year.
Yeah. Now you see, thank you, Arnav. Now you
Yes,
see, I'm going to do the problem in two ways. Whichever the way you find it convenient, you can do it. Alternative, one without table, one by using the table. Okay, one by using the table, one without using the table. So first, now see here, this is not your inflow, but this is your payment. So how you're going to do? So the future value of this series of payments or service of payments, okay, will be, now listen here, yesterday somebody asked me about compounding, which I'm going to tell you now. So now you can take future values. Future values. So you can take, it is for 5 years. So you can take 5. Future value 5. Okay. Now listen here, that is equal to 1000 rupees at the end of the first year. So at the end of the first year, somebody at the end you calculate and tell me please. At the end of the first year, the rate of interest is 10% and the compounding will be at the end of the first year will be the 4th year. Okay, then next one, 2000 1.10 power of 3 at the end of second year. Then 3000 1.10 power of second year. Sorry, third year. 4000, sorry, 2000 1.10 at the end of first year. Okay, then 1500 1.10 at the end of 0 year. Now, are you clear till this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. Now somebody can help me in calculation.
The first one is 1464.1, sir.
1464. You can round it off, ma. If you
Okay,
want.
sir.
Round
Okay,
it
sir.
off. Next.
2662.
Huh?
2662.
2662. Very good. Next.
3630, sir.
3630. Good. Next.
2200.
Next.
1500, sir.
So it is 11456. 11456. You know what you call this as? This is called as future value at the end of 5th year. At the end of 5th year. Right. Now, are you clear with this?
No, sir.
Who said no?
Sir, Raviteja, sir.
Yeah, I'll tell you. See, at the end of first year, what is the amount?
1464.
No. 1000.
Oh, that one, yes, sir.
See the question. So the
Yes.
interest is 10%. Interest is 10% is nothing but 1.10. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So this totally 5 years. Got it?
Yes.
So this you'll make a payment when at the end of the fourth year. Power of 4.
First, sir, 5 minus 1. You are doing right, sir.
Yeah, 5 minus 1, I'm doing it directly.
Sir, but why, sir?
Here, see it is very, very general, Ray. See,
Yes, sir.
see, you take at the 5th year. Why it takes 0? There's no more payment.
Yeah. Sir, no, sir. Here,
No,
Rupees
Teja.
5,000
At the end
end
of
of the
fifth year, you see, I have taken 0, power 0. Why?
okay,
Why I am
okay,
taking
sir.
0 there?
There are no
That's
years
all.
left.
So the first year you pay at the fourth year, the second year you pay at the third year the power of 2, fourth year power of 1, and the last year is 0. That is what, Teja. The simple logic.
Yes, sir.
This is called compounding. Teja,
Yes, sir.
I'm just going to do the alternative method, you will understand.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So the alternative method for doing the same thing will be reference to. Teja, are you not clear till now?
Clear, sir. Initially, I am not clear with the question, sir. Actually, that's
See, it is nothing but when you have a compound value. So every year at the end of the fifth year, it will be 0. Am I right?
yes, sir.
Yeah. This we are going to do with the reference to the table. Now, when you are going to do with the reference to the, the future value table. Future value table. Now you say, when you're going to do this, the first column you say, end of the year. So you can call this column as 1. You can call this column as 1. The second column, you can take amount of payment. Amount of payment. You can call this column as 2. Next, the third column, you can take number of years. Number of year compounded. You will understand now.
Understood, sir. Actually, I understood the now.
No, this that is what I am doing the alternative method. It will make very clear.
Okay.
Compound interest, which you have to do, compound interest factor, which you will do by refer to the table. And the last one, you take future value. So what is your future value? Future value will be 5. So what will be a future value? That is 5. How do you find your future value here? How do you find the future value here?
Using the table, sir.
Amount of payment into the compound interest factor. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that is 5 is equal to, I'll put it very clearly, 2 into 4. 2 into 4. This will make very better understanding. Okay. Now, end of the year 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what will be your amount of payment which you take it in the form of rupees 1000, 2000, 3000, again 2000, 1500. Now Ravi Teja, see here. For the first year, what is the compounded year?
Sir,
For the first year, what is the compounded year? Number of years compounded for the first year. For how many years still you have to make the payment?
4, sir.
4. That's all. Got it now?
Yes, sir.
For second year, how many years still left? 3. For third year, how many years left? 2. For fourth year, how many years left? 1. For fifth year is 0. Now, Now 1 minute, I will just stop sharing this and I'll show you the table. Someone note that value and tell me after I show you the table. Okay. One minute. I could not. 1 minute. 1 minute. One minute, I'll just share it. This is the problem. Yeah. Now, Aishwarya, can you note it and tell me, my Aishwarya? Aishwarya? Okay, Ravi Teja. Ravi Teja.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
kindly
sir.
note.
Yes.
Now it is 10%, right? Is the table is
Yes, sir.
seen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 10%. For the fourth year, how much?
1.4641.
41. You note it down.
Yes, sir. Wait.
For third year, how much?
1.3310, sir.
Yeah. For the second year, how much?
1.2100, sir.
For the first year, how much?
1.0.
That's all. You have noted down? No, have you noted
Yes,
down?
sir.
Yeah, I'll stop sharing
Yes, sir.
this. Now I'll go to the Excel now. You tell me the factor now one by one. 1.146. Next, 1.331. I'm just rounding you off.
Sir,
Oh, the first one is 1.4.
sir, first one is 1.4641, sir.
Okay, okay. 41. Next case.
4641, sir.
No,
4641.
Sir,
1.46.
1.146 only, man. It is 1.464. Am I right?
Yes, sir. But you wrote 1.1461, sir.
No, 1 minute, 1 minute. No, it is okay. That is wrong. I'm sorry. Okay. It is 1.4.
641, sir.
4.
What is the next case?
1.331.
1.331. It's right.
Yes, sir.
The next one.
1.210.
210. Yeah. Next one.
1.110.
1.100. And the last case will be 1.
So 1.110.
That's what, ma. There is some problem, ma. That 0, it gets cancelled when you're doing the Excel. Okay, ma.
No, sir, it's 1.11, sir. 2 ones after the decimal.
Now 1.11.
1. Yes, sir.
Okay, 1.11.
No,
The last
sir.
one.
No, sir. It's 1.1 only, sir. 1 is for 11%, sir.
1.0 and the last one will be 1.0. Yeah, okay. So the values like this. Now you multiply. This is the meter. Now tell me the value for the first one. You get 1464. I've just calculated, I just write it. The second one you get 2662. So if you multiply 2 into 4, the third one you get 0. The fourth one you get 2200. And the last one you get 1500. Got it? Now you add all this. How much do you get? How much do you get if you add all this?
11456.
11456.
How much you got in the previous method?
Same, sir. 11456.
Any method you want, you can follow. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any method you do, you get marks. Whichever method you find convenient, you do it. That's all. So I taught you by using table without using table. So whichever the method you find it convenient, kindly do it. That's all. Rishita Tiwari is there?
Yes, sir.
Madam, can you read the next? Are you clear with this problem?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Madam, can you read the problem number 15?
15.
Now we have,
Yes,
see,
sir.
this problem we have seen, I have taught you both the methods. Whichever method you want to use, the table you use, or you want to use the direct method, you can do it. That is left, choice is yours. Now, next is, we are going to find out the compound value of series of cash flow. When I mean cash flow, it is a cash inflow. Balakrishnan is there? Balakrishnan? Rishita, what happened to Balakrishnan, ma?
Sir, I don't know. He didn't inform me that he won't be coming. I'll ask him, sir.
Because please ask him and tell me. Okay, you read the 15th problem, ma, please.
Yes, sir. Mr. Rohit deposits rupees 1 lakh, rupees 2 lakh, and rupees 3 lakh, rupees 4 lakh in his deposit account at the beginning of first year, second year, third year, and fourth year, respectively. Determine the account balance at the end of fourth year if the interest rate is 12% per annum.
Okay. So what you you have to calculate here? Calculation of account balance at the end of fourth year. End of fourth year. Okay, here we open columns like year, which you can call it as 1. Then you have deposits, which you can call it as 2. Then you can call it as year. I'll just tell compounded years. Compounded years. You can call this as compounded year. Okay, which you can call it as 3. Then compound value. Compound value, which is at 12% per annum. That is very important. Then you can say year and cash flow or cash factor. You can call it as, sorry, you must, sorry, cash flows. Okay, so this you can call it as 4. This you can call it as 4. The year and the cash flow you can call it as 5. So 5 is not 5 is equal to 5 is equal to 1 minute, I'm just doing. So 5 is equal to 2 into 4. Okay, so you have 4 years, first year, second year, third year, fourth year. And the deposits are 1 lakh, 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, and 4 lakhs. So compounded here is 4, 3, 2, 1. Now find the compound value. I'll just tell the value. Somebody can note it. For 12%, yeah, please note it down. If you want, you can refer later on. 1.574. I'll just write it straight away. 1.5. If you want, you can refer the table for the verification. 1.574. So at the fourth year, 12%. So at this next year, 1.405. Next year, 1.254. Next, 1.120. Anyway, I'll check one more time the value. Yeah, some values I am rounding it off. Yeah. Okay, now you multiply this, how much do you get? Multiply this, first case, how much you get? 2 into 4, 1 lakh into 1.574. Hello?
1,57,400.
1 lakh 54,000.
57,000.
Sorry, 57,400. Okay, next. 1.405 into 2 lakhs.
2,81,000.
81,000. Okay, next.
3,76,000.
3,76,200.
Balakrishna has come back.
Sir, I was there in class only, sir, like in between a small thing. So, like
Nowadays,
parcel.
even if I call you, are not picking my call.
No, sir, no, sir.
No,
Like
you're
that,
not
sir. I was in
happy.
class only.
You're not happy with the marks I have given you for the last semester?
No, sir, no, sir. Not nothing like that, sir. Like I was in class
Okay,
only,
okay.
sir.
No, no.
I joined at
I
correct
must
time
make
only.
myself, no, I must make myself happy. That's why I asked you, man.
Okay.
Generally, you will never miss my call. You will, immediately you'll pick up. That's why I asked. Okay. Now, if you add all this, you'll get 12 lakhs 62,000. 12 lakh 62,600. You know what you call this as? You have been asked to find out the account balance at the end of the fourth year. So when you are asked to find out the account balance at the end of the fourth year, we call this as total maturity value. We call this as total maturity value. Are you clear with this?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Now, Rogan, or I lost someone. Shukla,
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I'll explain the compound value of the annuity. You have to read me problem number 16. It's okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, what do you mean by this compound value of an annuity? I'll explain, then I will do the problem, because when I explain only I can do it, and then only you'll understand. See quite often what happens, a decision may result in the occurrence of cash flows of the same amount every year for a number of years consequently, instead of single cash flow. So in order to find the series of equal cash flow made at a regular interval, we use this annuity method. What is annuity? Anyone can tell me? What is annuity? What is annuity? You should have studied in your mathematics, Ray. What is annuity? Annuity.
No idea, sir.
No idea.
Sir, it is
Suppose I
like
keep like, huh?
sir, it is like a series of payments
Series
at
of
certain
you
interval.
make a contract, right? You
Yes,
make
sir.
a contract and see that you make a series of you buy something, make either a single payment or a series of payment. That is annuity. Got it? Yes,
Yes,
or
sir.
no?
Example like paying rent, sir. Like monthly
Exactly.
rent.
Yes, yes. See, I'm just going to do a problem. You'll understand. Ritesh, you see the first problem. Ritesh pays a monthly installment of 2,000 towards a recurring deposit. Got it? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So every time you make a payment, finally you reach the value. That is what. Okay. So listen here. This is what we call the compound. What we did previously is compound value of a series of payment. This is compound value of the annuity. So main idea is to finite the series of equal cash flow at the regular interval. This is called annuity. And every year each cash flow has to be compounded. And I've given you the formula A into X 1 plus R whole power n. I've just made a mistake. Power minus 1 by R. So what is A? Constant period flow or annuity amount? Series of payments. Future value of annuity. R is rate of interest. N is number of years or duration of the annuity. Right. Are you clear or not? Are you clear with what is component value of annuity?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now Shukla, can you read the problem? 16th problem.
Yes, sir. Ritesh pays a monthly installment of rupees 2,000 towards a recurring deposit with a financier. The
Yeah.
rate of interest is 6% per annum, compounded monthly.
Hmm.
What is the maturity value of this recurring deposit after 10 months?
Yeah. Now we'll go for 16. Question number 16. So we give the heading as compound value of annuity. All you should have studied mathematics, but it's my job to teach. It's okay. So now I'll just see the problem, Ritesh. Okay. So we'll take computation of maturity value of an annuity. Okay. Now what is the formula? The maturity value of an annuity is equal to annuity amount into 1 plus R power of n minus 1 dose divided by R. So now if you see the problem, your annuity amount is 2000. Am I right? Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And see, the rate of interest is 6%. So what will be a rate of interest? Tell me if you want to convert. Tell me what should be a rate of interest, because recurring deposit is after 10 months. So what will be a rate of interest? So I'll put it like this. I'll calculate rate of interest. See, calculation of rate of interest is equal to, I'll put it like this, which is nothing but R, that is equal to nothing but R, which is equal to, I'll put it like this, 0.06, just listen to me very carefully, divided by 12 into 1. Am I right? Am I right or not? Because it is compounded monthly. See the question.
Yes, sir. So it is divided by 12.
Yeah, it is compounded monthly. So I am doing this. Kindly tell me, man, have you understood or not?
Yes,
So,
sir.
Yes, sir.
so 0.06 divided by 12 into 1. How much you get? How much do you get?
So
0.0005.
0.005. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now we'll come back to the formula. 1. Okay. 1 plus R. R is 0.005. Close the bracket. Number of years is, compound is 10. Okay. Minus 1 divided by 0.005. How much do you get? How much do you get this? Kindly tell me, how much do you get this?
Sir, 14,600.
You'll get 40,600.
14.
No, man. See, 2,000. Oh, I didn't. Sorry, man. I'm sorry. Yeah, sorry, this should be into. I'm sorry. I've just put plus. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for the inconvenience. 2,000 into it should be.
Sir, it is 200302.
How much do you get? Unnalama, what you have to do, you know, 2000 into, find out the value for this. That's all. 1 plus 0.005 power 10 minus 1 divided by 0.005.
So 20,456.
20?
So 20,456. 0.00 something. Sir.
1,400 and
So 20,456.05.
1,456.05.
05.
So we'll take it as 57. Yes or no?
20,000. Okay. Yeah. Correct, sir.
Is correct or not? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now we'll quickly finish the 17th one. And how much? What time this class gets over? 3:45. Okay, it's almost okay. The 17th problem. We have many problems. Oh, okay, I'll take another 2 classes to complete this. It doesn't matter. So anyway, yeah. Now Aishwarya, Aishwarya, Ramachandran. Sorry, Akshaya. Sorry, Akshaya Ramachandran.
Yes, sir.
Kindly make the announcement, ma.
Yes. So everyone, we will be having the guest lecture regarding the project on Thursday. The guest lecture will start by.
And it will be done in the Google Meet.
Yes, sir.
Because we cannot allow the guests to come here.
Yes, sir.
It will not give that. So you have to create a Google Meet, ma, please. ID and send it to them.
Yes, sir. I'll send the link well before the time.
And you have to send it to me. I will send to the guest.
Yes, sir. I'll put it up in the WhatsApp group, sir.
Yes. So kindly attend. Akshay and one more person is who?
Vignesh, sir.
Vignesh is there. Akshaya, okay, you tell Vignesh. Akshay, what you have to do is you have to take a photograph of the session, right?
Yes, sir.
And you have to give me a small report about that after it's over.
Okay, sir, I'll do that.
So you take some 4 or 5 photos.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So bye-bye. Take care. See you on Thursday. Please join. Every instruction she'll put. Please join between 3:40 and 3:45. 3:50 we can start, so that I can close by 4:50. It is something about your project, so kindly attend. And Rishita, only 3 absentees, send me the attendance. Rishita.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, I'll
Thank
share
you.
you both this. Yes.
Yeah, thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.